Ever received a fat Venmo payment and felt the urge to treat yourself to something awesome? We've all been there. But what if that celebratory purchase needs to happen ASAP and your bank account balance is looking a little less celebratory? Can you just use your Venmo credit card to bridge the gap and transfer that money straight to your bank account? Hold on a sec, there might be a detour ahead. Venmo, the popular money-sharing app, is fantastic for splitting bills with friends or getting paid back for that impulsive round of takeout. But it operates a little differently when it comes to credit cards and bank transfers. Let's buckle up and navigate the ins and outs of Venmo credit card transfers to your bank account. Firstly, it's important to understand that Venmo itself doesn't actually issue credit cards. They partner with Synchrony Bank to offer the Venmo credit card, which functions just like any other credit card. You can use it for online purchases, swiping at stores, and even getting cash advances, but we'll get to that later. Now, the key question, can you use your Venmo credit card to transfer money directly to your bank account? The short answer is no. Venmo doesn't allow direct credit card transfers to your bank account. This might seem counterintuitive, but there's a reason for it. Think about it. If you could freely move money from your credit card to your bank account, it would be easy to rack up credit card debt without ever actually buying anything. Venmo wants to keep their platform secure and responsible, and direct credit card transfers could potentially be misused. But fear not, there are still ways to get that Venmo cash into your bank account. Here's what you can do. Option 1. Transfer money from your Venmo balance, not credit card. This is the most straightforward approach. If you have money in your Venmo balance from received payments or previous bank transfers, you can easily move it to your bank account. Venmo offers 2 transfer methods. Standard transfer, free, but slower. This option takes 1 to 3 business days for the money to reach your bank account. There are no fees involved, making it the most budget-friendly choice. Instant transfer, fee applies. Need the money in your bank account right away? You can use the instant transfer feature. However, this comes with a 1.75% fee, with a minimum of 25 cents and a maximum of $25. So, if you're transferring a small amount, the standard transfer might be a better option. Option 2. Use your Venmo credit card for purchases, then pay it off. This option requires a little more planning, but it can work if you need the money urgently. Here's the idea. Use your Venmo credit card to make a purchase you would have made anyway, groceries, gas, etc. Immediately transfer money from your bank account to your Venmo balance to cover the credit card purchase. Pay off your Venmo credit card balance in full by the due date to avoid any interest charges. Essentially, you're using your Venmo credit card as a temporary bridge to access cash, but you're responsible for paying it back immediately to avoid getting hit with credit card interest. This option can be risky if you're not disciplined about paying off your credit card balance. Remember, credit card interest rates can be high. A word of caution: cash advance fees. While we're on the topic of using your Venmo credit card for cash-like transactions, be aware of cash advance fees. Technically, you can use your Venmo credit card to get a cash advance at an ATM. However, this comes with a hefty fee, typically around 3% of the transaction amount, with a minimum fee that might apply. On top of that, most credit card issuers charge a much higher interest rate on cash advances compared to regular purchases. So, unless you're in a dire emergency, avoid using your Venmo credit card for cash advances. While you can't directly transfer money from your Venmo credit card to your bank account, there are alternative strategies to get that cash flowing. Utilize standard or instant transfers from your Venmo balance for a more budget-friendly approach. If you're in a pinch, consider using your Venmo credit card for a purchase and immediately transferring money from your bank account to cover it, but be sure to pay off the balance promptly to avoid interest charges. Remember, cash advance fees are a hidden danger. Use them only as a last resort. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.